Okay, here we are. So in this video, we will need to express 56 as a product of its prime factors. So this is not too bad. So all you really want to do is literally start your factor tree and just keep breaking down the 56 into multiples or factors. So we got to think of two numbers that multiply to get 56. I always start with 2's and 3's. Dividing this by 2, what do we get? So 2 into 56. 2 into 50 gives 25. 2 into 6 gives 3. So 25 and 3 make 28. Now let's half this again. We've got 2 and 14. Half of 14, 2 and 7. And that's it. So we have our prime factors. Remember, prime numbers are numbers that only divide by itself and 1. 2 is the 2 is the only even prime number, whereas 7 is also a prime number, divides by 7 itself. And to write it as a series of prime factors, well, we do it like this. We say therefore 56 can be broken down into 3 sets of 2. So we can say 2 to the power of 3 times 7, which is only one of them, so we leave it like that. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.